In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly booking link. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a consultant, or anyone who frequently schedules meetings, Calendly is a tool that can make your life a lot easier. However, personalizing your Calendly link can make it even more convenient for you and your clients to remember and use. So let's dive in and see how you can adjust your Calendly booking link to something more personalized and memorable. First things first, let's head over to the free online appointment scheduling software provided by Calendly. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the homepage is designed to be welcoming and intuitive to navigate. To start the personalization process, we need to access your account. Look for the login option on the home page. Clicking it will lead you to the login page, a gateway to accessing all the adjustment features the site offers. At the login page, you'll be presented with several options to continue. For simplicity and speed, let's utilize the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if you're already logged into your Google account, as it can streamline the login process significantly. Upon clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure to choose the account linked to your Calendly setup, ensuring everything stays synchronized and functioning correctly. After selecting the right Google account, the next screen will seek your confirmation to proceed. It's just a matter of clicking Continue to move forward. Once you're fully logged in, navigate your way to the Calendly dashboard. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. If you're not immediately directed there, look for a link to Calendly or a Go to Calendly button, guiding you to the right spot. Now for the crucial part, changing your booking link. Direct your attention to the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu with various options, one of which is My Link. This option is your gateway to customization. Upon selecting My Link, you'll be directed to a page where your current Calendly link is displayed. Here's where the personalization starts. Click on the link section and you'll find that it becomes editable. This feature allows you to tailor your Calendly link to match your personal or business brand. Think carefully about what you'd like your new link to be. It should be easy to remember, relevant to your services, and reflective of your brand. After you've decided on a new link and adjusted it, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button nearby. Clicking this will update your Calendly link across the platform. It's important to note that once your link is changed, you'll need to update any previous places you've shared your old link, as it will no longer lead to your scheduling page. And that's it. You've successfully personalized your Calendly booking link. This small change can make a big difference in how clients perceive and interact with your scheduling page. It enhances brand consistency and makes your link more memorable for returning and potential clients. Remember, Calendly offers a variety of features to optimize your scheduling experience further. Take some time to explore these features and see how they can complement your newly personalized link and overall scheduling strategy. We've just walked through changing your Calendly booking link, a simple yet impactful way to customize your scheduling tool to better fit your personal or business brand. Personalization like this can enhance your professional image and make scheduling meetings with you an even smoother process for your clients. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your digital tools and streamline your professional processes.